Hello everyone, welcome to Shining 3D's IntraoralScan course. In this video, we would like to show you the data cleaning function within our IntraoralScan software. IntraoralScan software offers both automatic and manual data cleaning options to help manage your computer storage space effectively. By configuring the storage time, project files that exceed the setting time can be automatically or manually deleted, creating additional space for storing newly scanned files. You can find and use this function in Older Settings submodule in Setting in the upper right corner of the software interface. By clicking Setting, you can access the Older Setting module. Simply scroll to the bottom using your mouse wheel to locate the Data Cleaning submodule. Selecting Automatically Clean Up Historical Project Files enables the software to perform automatic data cleaning. You can customize this by choosing dates between data cleaning reminders and days to retain local orders after creation based on your specific needs. You can choose to save data for 30 days, 90 days, or 120 days. The default settings are 15 days for the reminder interval and 90 days for the retention period. Click Reset allows you to revert your changes back to the default settings. Additionally, you have the option for manual cleaning. Simply click Clear and set a deadline date in the pop-up window. Afterward, click Accept to immediately clean up all project files dated before the specific deadline. Data cleaning exclusively applies to the temporary files, so you can reset, assure that your scanned data remains secure and won't be deleted. Once engineering files are deleted, data will no longer support supplementary scans. We hope that you will find this short instructional video helpful for optimizing your software experience. Thank you for joining us.